Grand Sheikh, may Allah bless him, his soul, Sheikh Sharafuddin, he used to stand on the muwajaha of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Madinat Munawwara, and make salawat on Prophet. He is busy with the salawat. He preferred it more than dua or anything else. And he was ordering awliyaullah to recite that salawat on Prophet sallallahu, so recite the salawat on Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam daily in their awrad, more than anything else. And one time he said to Grand Sheikh, may Allah bless his soul, that Ya Abdullah Effendi used to call him. If from the time of Adam alayhi salam to the day of judgment, if a person making salawat on a Prophet without stopping, no one knows what Allah is going to reward him, because it is above everyone's mind or level. But Abdullah Effendi, then sometimes they call him like that, this one Grand Sheikh used to call himself, showing humbleness. Awliyaullah, they say that if someone will recite a special salawat, which we are going to mention now, on Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one time in his life even, he will be rewarded as much as a reward that no one can understand what Allah has to give that person. And that salawat ala ashraf al-alameen Sayyidina Muhammadin, salawat ala akmal al-alameen Sayyidina Muhammad. Even one time in his life, if you accumulate all salawat that been taught from mashayikh to student and in books and everywhere written, if you add them, accumulate all of them together, that salawat is heavier in the scale. And when I was reading some books, I passed there, it was part of it, salawat of Sayyidina Ali. And I mentioned that. That salawat, if you pull out from where you have it now on one of the Sufi live. Yeah, so, and spread it and remind people with it everywhere. And tell them if they recite it one time, they will get benefit and rewards that no one saw before. And even all awliya Allah and mashayikh, they accumulate their salawat together. That salawat is heavier in this case. Because why? Because inna Allah wa malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabi. Allah and his angels are making salawat on that person. Yusalluna ala nabi. Allah and his angels. So what you want higher than that salawat? One of the salawat that are hidden and secret. This salawat is secret salawat. Not everyone knows it. Sayyidina Ali used to make that salawat, half of it, and the half of the rest was being mentioned later. And because it is from Salah ala Nabi, the barakah and the reward is high, that no one can understand it. That's why after Allah said, I and my angels are doing salawat, look there how much Allah wants us to do it. He said in that verse of Quran that me and my angels are doing salawat. What's the problem with you to do salawat? So I am ordering you to do salawat. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu sallu alayhi. Sometime when you are doing zikrullah, at a certain moment it's become heavy. Try. You will feel yourself, the beat's not moving. Or you feel yourself want to stop. Except Salah ala Nabi. When you make salawat on Prophet, it is easy going. Try and check. Because there is Allah and His angels are making salawat. That's why it is important and it is light on heart when you do salawat. More than other awrad and zikr. Salawat on Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it makes your heart easy. When you have a problem, quickly make wudu, pray 2 rak'ats and make salawat on Prophet. Don't do anything else. You want to read Quran, it's okay. But immediately salawat on Prophet, it become easy yourself, you will feel yourself relaxed and their da'wah is acceptable. You ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the sake of Prophet Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Allah gives. So, all viewers, salawat on Prophet is important because it is fard and wajib. It is obligation because Allah is doing it and doing on His angel. Following, in kuntum tuhibbun Allah, fattabi'uni yuhbibkum Allah. Here it shows that you are following, you have, by salawat you will be approaching more and more to Allah through following Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's not the verse meaning. In kuntum tuhibbun Allah, fattabi'uni yuhbibkum Allah. If you really love Allah, follow me, Allah will love you. So, what Allah loves most is not Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So if you are calling Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the sake of Prophet, what will happen? Allah loves you. And when Allah loves you, it's finished. They will stamp you, angels, that you are on the track. Be on the track, and inshallah you will receive barakah